Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Olivia. Today we are going to be doing a Sephora Play unboxing. Ooh. We are going to be doing a Sephora Play unboxing today. I know that I keep saying I'm going to cancel this box, but I haven't yet. So we are going to be unboxing this today. If you want to see what I got in this month's Sephora Play Box, keep on watching. Okay, so we are going to be doing another Sephora Play unboxing. If you don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a $10 a month subscription box that you can get from Sephora. You get 5 deluxe size samples in the box every month, and then you get 1 bonus item as well. So let's dig in here, but before we do that, I just want to remind you guys to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like this. If you want to see more unboxings, reviews, etc., subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so let's get in here. The last few months have been kind of questionable, so we will see. I'm going out of town this month, so not this month, well, I am going out of town this month, but I'm going out of town in a couple of days, just for a couple of days to visit family. But it would be nice if I got like some good samples to take with me. So as always, every single month we get our 50 Beauty Insider Point card. You can just bring this into a Sephora and with any purchase, give them this coupon and you'll get an extra 50 Beauty Insider Points. This little pamphlet here tells us the theme of the box and all of the items that we got inside of it. Oh my god. This is cute. Alright, so this looks like a full bag. I hope it's good, guys. So this is the ASMR bag that we get. Again, recyclable. Love it. So let's see what we got. I feel something that feels like a perfume sample. Oh my god, I love this perfume. Okay, so this is like the bonus item, and it is Good Girl Eau de Parfum from Caroline Herrera. And first of all, can we talk about how cute the bottle of this is? I love the bottle of this perfume. I love this perfume. I don't know why I haven't bought it yet because it's so pretty. Like, this is one of those scents that you smell and I'm just like, that's what a woman smells like, okay? Like, it is so sexy, it's kind of deep, it's a little florally. I love this perfume. I love it. I am very happy with that, okay? Okay, so next in here, Discover Lancome. This gift is just a glimpse into the beautiful world of Lancome. Discover more when you join Lancome, Elite Rewards, and indulge in the exclusive privileges of membership. So this is a Lancome mascara primer. That's what came in this bag. This huge bag. I can't remember if I've tried this primer or not. I feel like I've had it before, but I don't really remember trying it. But I will say I love, love, love the Lancome Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara. So this might be a good addition to that. I'm really not like a lash primer-esque bitch, but you know, it's always fun to try new things. I like the wand on this. So you can see the wand, it has a nice big wand on it. The one thing is it's a white mascara primer, which most mascara primers are. I get that. But I just feel like when Benefit came out with their lash primer and it was like a dark brown color, that was the best idea ever. Okay, number one, it is a lash primer. It's gonna make your lashes nice and thick. and it's gonna add like all the vitamins and things to nourish your lashes, and like that's great, whatever. And it's in a dark brown color, so you can wear it by itself. It looks like a super natural mascara that way, or you can layer mascara over top of it. But the thing about it being dark brown and making it really nice is you're not trying to cover, my oven's ready, I'm gonna have chicken strips for dinner. Anyway, like I was saying though, the nice thing about something like that not being white is that you're not trying to cover it with a black mascara, because white and black is gonna make gray. Like if this wasn't dry all the way, which would recommend letting something like this dry all the way, by the way. But I just feel like this makes your black mascara not as black, so having a tinted mascara primer is so much more beneficial. But mascara primers are nice. They can really add some thickness to your lashes, and they are supposed to be like nourishing for your lashes and like healthy and whatever. I mean, I'll try it because, so this next thing in here I can see, and I am so excited about this. This is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, and it's in a teal package. I've had the one that comes in the yellow cream, the Bum Bum cream, and that stuff smells like next level. Like that is what a tropical vacation smells like. I want to smell like that every single day of my life. I want my house to smell like that. I love the scent of that product, and I know they have a ton of other stuff that scented like this, but I don't know if the one in the teal smells like that. So let's find out. Oh, it's sealed. Love that. Ooh. So this does not smell like their like original scent. It smells very similar though, like beachy. Like if you like the scent of the original stuff, you would like this too, but this is a lot more coconutty. And this feels a lot thinner than the Bum Bum cream. It still feels like, I mean, it's like a thicker moisturizer still, but it's not nearly as thick as the Bum Bum cream is. That Bum Bum cream is like, it's like a thick whipped body butter. This is kind of like a body butter. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. Oh my god, like that's coconut done right. Okay, like I like coconut things, like flavor, whatever, but like sometimes coconut things can be like gross and give me the worst headache. Not this. Like this smells like paradise. It smells like paradise. Okay, I'm excited about that. Taking this with me this weekend. Okay, moving along. I've had this before and I did not use it. This is the dpHUE. I think that's how you say that. dpHUE. It is the apple cider vinegar rinse, and it is a shampoo substitute that gently removes impurities. So it's basically supposed to be like a deep cleanse for your hair, instead of using like a cleansing shampoo, like what would that be called? A clarifying shampoo. Instead of using a clarifying shampoo, you can use this, and as you can see, it's like super liquidy in the bottle. And it is supposed to be okay. It's supposed to be safe for color treated hair. But I don't know, I just worry. And it's basically just supposed to break up like any excess product or something that you have in your hair, you know, like oil buildup, that kind of stuff. It's supposed to get rid of that, which I feel like I really do kind of need at times. I have tape-in extensions, so I feel like I can't like get in there and like really scrub my scalp and hair. But I also really worry with having tape-ins and having like a semi-permanent color in my hair like this. I worry that it would affect one of those two things. in some ways. I'll probably pass this along just because I'm probably never going to use it, but I will say that is a really good brand. I've heard of, they do make really good products, and I've heard that their hair dye is supposed to be really nice as well. So let's see, we have 2 things left. Let's do this, and this looks like this is a Bite Beauty lipstick. And this is in the color Chai. And Bite Beauty is known for being a cleaner beauty brand, which is great. This is the cutest little lipstick. I love it. Oh my god, look at how tiny it is. That is so cute. That's all the product that you get in it. But, I mean, that's like a decent sample. Let's do a little swatchy here. Super creamy, went on really nicely. There is there. You can see it's a really creamy lipstick. It's just kind of like a darker, almost like rosy nude color. Like that would be a little like dark on me to be like a nude, but it's a really pretty color. I like it. Okay, so the last thing that we have in here, oh, this is from Coola. And this is a SPF 30 Mineral Sun Silk Cream. Full 360 degree spectrum. Oil-free, anti-pollution, broad spectrum 30. It looks like it is cruelty-free, vegan, antioxidant enriched. It says farm to face and plant protection. Fragrance-free, dermatologist tested. Yeah, it's a sunscreen. It says to apply to face and neck 15 minutes before sun exposure. So I'm assuming that this one is only for your face and neck. You could probably get away with putting it on your body, but it says face and neck on here. I've been using the La Roche-Posay sunscreen every single day. I wear like an SPF 60 on my face. So, but an SPF 30 is definitely fine for the face. But I mean, in my opinion, the higher the better. So 30 is probably like the lowest that I would go. But I'm also super fair, and like when I think about the sun, I get a sunburn. So there it is on my hand. It doesn't smell like sunscreen at all. Yeah, it really doesn't feel like sunscreen at all. It feels a little tacky, but I just put it on, so I'm assuming it'll sink into my skin a little bit more. So yeah, that's nice. I like that. I'll use it definitely. I mean, I love SPF, so that's great. Overall thoughts on this month's Sephora Play Box. I liked this one a lot better than the last few months that we've gotten. I'll use the sunscreen. This, like, damn, girl, okay? Like, if you want to be smelling like the tropics, get you some of this, okay? So, big fan of that. Like I said, obsessed with this perfume. Super excited that I got another little sample of that. The Bite Beauty lipstick, that's a really pretty color. I will wear that. I've been wearing a lot more cream lipsticks lately as well. So this will be a good one to kind of throw into the rotation. And I do love the size of this little bullet. It's so cute. Lash primer, you know, I'm not really like a lash primer kind of girl, like I said, but definitely gonna give it a try and see how it works out for me. And the only thing that was like a real, like, really was this, but was the hair rinse. But if you're someone who's into like clarifying shampoos and like really doing like a deep clean on your hair, you would really probably like something like this. I just like have very specific needs for my hair. I'm just like, whenever I get hair things, I'm just really not excited about it because I probably can't use it. So this is like, it's okay. Overall, I would say this was a really good box. So based off of this box, would I recommend Sephora Play for $10? Absolutely. If you want to see me do any more unboxing, if you liked this video, if you like watching me do Sephora Play unboxing, Give this video a like. It's a super easy way to support me. It's totally free. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that's another really great way to support me. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you turn the bell on so you know when I upload videos. I am trying to upload videos every Wednesday. I feel like that's been a good day for people. So let me know what you think of that. And let me know what your favorite summertime beauty product is in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!